Hello students, how are you? Welcome in Sanskaram online classes. I am Vijay and now we are ready to start our next topic 9.3 that is related to exercise adherence, and this is very important topic for the daily regular life also, because here we are going to discuss about the exercise adherence reason, as well as we are going to discuss the benefits of exercise. And so this is a very important topic. Now let's start. What is exercise adherence? Exercise adherence क्या होता है? First of all, we have to understand this thing. See, exercise adherence is a combination of two words. One is the exercise, that is the meaning of the exercise, to like a movement to make your muscles working as and active, as well as required your body to burn the calories, means this is exercise. Now come to the another word, that is the adherence. This is the also a very important word. Adherence means to stick, to means follow that in a regular basis. So to stick according to like a very punctual type of thing with the exercise. In fact, exercise adherence, that is the maintaining exercise in a prolonged period for a time following like initial appropriate phase. And this is very important to understand this thing in, if we can say in another word, because exercise adherence is the sticking in your daily life exercise. जो एक्सरसाइज एडरेंस है, जो एक्सरसाइज की रेगुलरिटी है बेसिकली, वो क्या है, हमारी जो डेली लाइफ है उससे अटैच है. एंड वी हैव टू सेट द गोल ऑल्सो व्हेन एवर वी आर स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज, मीन्स we are just improving the fitness, we are going to lose the weight to burn the calories, either we are going to improving or enhancing the graph level of games and sports. So whatever the reason, but we are going to achieving for goal with the help of exercise. So adherence, that is the very stick or to stick with the exercise. तो ये जो हमारी सिचुएशन है जिसके बिना एक्सरसाइज का इफ़ेक्टिव होना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, तो रेगुलरिटी दैट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. किसी चीज़ का पर्टिकुलर यानी अनुपालन करना, उस एक्सरसाइज का, उस सिस्टम का या फिज़िकल एक्टिविटीज़ का, वी मस्ट बी इन्वॉल्व इन फिज़िकल एक्सरसाइज टू जस्ट फॉलो द सिस्टम प्रोग्राम इन ए सिस्टमेटिक मैनर एंड on the regular basis. And whose individual, a particular individual person, strongly involved in exercise adherence and continue perform or take participate in exercise. Now let's start the reason. What is the reason behind of exercise and why we perform? क्या कारण है, क्या reason है कि हम exercise करते हैं? This is very important topic for all of us. The first topic to related to reason, that is enhance physical appearance. This is first point of this topic. First, but this is very important because it is not only about the exercise or exercise to help feel better, because it's prepare the body also to protect ourselves from different kind of lifestyle disease, and it is very helpful for us to feel better as well as to feel healthy, and as well as it's feel happy also by performing exercise, because whenever we are playing games, sports, any kind of exercise we are taking part, so we are feel energetic, as well as we are just feeling happy and relaxed, because with the help of games, sports, any kind of exercise, we feel stress out, we feel fresh. So it's very important, and everybody want to have good as well as healthy physique appearance. जो पर्सनैलिटी है, जो फिजिक है, जो फिटनेस है, वो सबकी सबको अच्छा लगता है कि हेल्दी हो, अच्छी दिखे, गुड लुकिंग हो. बट हाउ? with the help of exercise. If we are performing the daily routine exercise, so definitely it is the good impact on the body. So this is the very important topic, and exercise can enhance the physical fitness and personality. So this is the way to make physical exercise, our physical appearance attractive and healthy. Now next point, this is improve psychological as well as the emotional health. So with the help of exercise, you improve psychological or emotional health. It is also one of the best reason to perform the exercise, games, sports. Exercise has been provide the healthy mood or better mood, we can say, boost our mood, and this is the reason to perform the exercise, and after the performing activity or exercise we feel happy because it's enhancing or improving the mood or emotions, we can say. Because we are performing the exercise, so definitely we have to link the social circle also, and it's improve the social circle also, and we have to decrease the mental stress also with the help of exercise. And this is related to chemical balance to improve with the help of exercise and games and sports, to maintain the chemical balance in brain, and it is very helpful exercise. And some of people, those feel anxiety, stress, tension, depression, they can also come out very easily from that situation, and it is very helpful or improving to improving the self-esteem, self-confidence, to improve with the help of games, exercise. And these exercises very helpful to reducing the anxiety level, stress level, tension level, and we can say it is the decrease the mental pressure. So this is very helpful to each and every person to improve our physiological factors as well as the emotional health, to improve with the help of exercise. Next point, and we can say next reason to perform the exercise, this is feel more energetic. Energize feel करना, अपने आप में energetic feel करना, and this is the one of the best reason to perform the exercise, and we can increasing the energy level also, and feel strength and feel relaxed or energetic. Because whenever we are performing workout, workout also we can increase, then our oxygen level automatically goes increase, or we feel free, body automatically feel relaxed after the workout, because it is just improving the energy level by helping the oxygen intaking or exhaling also. Because whenever we are taking more oxygen and we are exhaling process also going same, then our cardiac system also work in same manner. This is very important to understand, because all the organs work together, whatever type of exercise program, and it is very helpful to internal organs also, and then feel energetic and relaxed, because automatically a lot of waste goes out from the body, like sweating. Yeah, sometime we have to discuss about the lactic acid and all. So this is very helpful to making body energized or energetic. And in same way, one more thing, if we have the lot of energy, we people think, so we must need to burn the energy, because if we have to burn the energy, then we can burn the extra calories, and then body feel relaxed, and automatically excess fat or extra calories automatically decrease, or we can say burn with the help of games and sports or exercise activities. And this is play very vital role to helping the busting the energy also. And after the exercise we feel relaxed, and after exercise also we have to perform the same exercise, same burning process with the help of that is the limbering down, because whenever we are performing limbering down or cooling down, we can say that is also a stretching type of exercise. With that time we have to decrease the body temperature and we have to perform the slow type of stretching exercise. Next point, our decrease risk of disease. With the help of exercise we can decrease the risk of disease, that is communicable disease as well as the rest of disease. And these type of disease decrease the automatically body fitness and decrease the body strength also. With the help of exercise we have to protect ourselves from lifestyle disease also, and one of the best reason to perform the exercise, because everybody want to remain fit and healthy, and this is the main mantra, that is the exercise. Exercise build up our body strength and improve circulatory system, and with the help of exercise we can increase the white blood cells, and many more hormones automatically work better with the help of exercise. So this is the best way to perform the exercise and make body healthy and protect ourselves from the different kind of lifestyle disease. And this is one more exercise, like breathing exercise and like yogic exercise also play very vital role to improving immune systems, and with the help of these exercise we can protect ourselves many more different kind of cancerous and many more illness. We have to protect our body or physique. So these are the main basic reason, solid reason we can say, to perform the regular exercise and protect ourselves. Now next point, this is the controlling body weight. This is also a basic reason, because everybody want to remain fit, slim, trim, and with the help of exercise we have to burn our extra calories and we can control our body weight. So this is the main mantra of exercise, that is the maximum chance to decrease body weight and body excess calories, because exercise helpful to controlling the excess fat or body weight. This is very easy to manage the healthy weight with the help of exercise, and exercise burn calories and it is automatically enhance the fitness of body, and we can decrease the body weight with the help of different kind of many more exercise are there, like games, sports, swimming, yogic exercise, whatever type of dance, any kind of dance. This is also a best exercise to perform like half an hour, 30 minutes, and we can burn our calories and we can maintain our body size, physique as well as the healthy weight. Now next point, long term health. This is also a big reason, because long term health means if we can perform these exercise on the regular basis in our daily life, means we can make the part of our life for long term. Yani always if we are going to regular exercise, so definitely we can enhance the cardiac system. We can protect ourselves different kind of cardiac problems, and we can protect ourselves from different type of lifestyle disease like obesity, diabetes, hypertension, back pain, like asthma also. So these exercise automatically make the circle if we cannot make our body healthy and we are not going for any kind of physical workout. So we must be perform the physical workout, and then we perform on the regular basis exercise. Yani we are going for, if in daily life for workout, any kind of workout like gym, training, yeah, they like yogic exercises there. But this is the main thing, we must be go for the regular workout, and regular workout increase the good cholesterol, decrease the risk of many kind of disease, yeah, severe issues, health issues, illness, yeah, especially that is related to heart problem. Chronic disease are many more chronic disease automatically appear if we are cannot go for the exercise. So this is the best way to protect ourselves from different variety of problems or disease, but we must be go for the long term exercise, long term regular exercise, and then we can protect ourselves, and automatically we can decrease the age also. Means we must be look like fit, more energetic and more smart with the help of regular exercise. So this is a very best way, and this is the main reason to go for the regular exercise. Now next point, this is the improve social circle. Obviously whenever we are going outside for workout like gym, yeah, whenever we are going join any kind of club, yeah, dancing, yeah, any type of games and sports we are going on the regular basis, so definitely we can increase our social circle, we can improve our social circle. With the help of these activities we can make new relations with the help of games, sports, exercise, and this is the best way to make new friends, make new social circle, as well as make we can improve our relations with the help of games and exercise. So this is very best for our circle also, because whenever we are meet with new people, we are making a big group for any type of society, so we can reduce our mental stress also with the help of all these group, with the help of exercise activities. And this is very important for our personal gaining also. So this is very important to make the social circle improve or enhance with the help of exercise. Next point, improved physiological health and fitness. Because games that is related to exercise, related to body, and automatically it is improve our physiological health, fitness, all the systems work proper, and because this is automatically mutual understanding, if we are going to perform exercise, so circulatory system goes well, so heart automatically work. So these are the mutual understanding of all type of systems of body, and they become efficient, enhance, and they work proper, and they can these type of exercise can improve our fitness level of an individual work. If on the regular basis, then it will be automatically improved. So those exercise we have to perform, we must be understand these exercise without break, yeah, without any gap we must be perform, and we can make physically and mentally healthy ourselves, as well as socially we must be perform. And if we are enough fit, so definitely we can increase our financial condition also, because we are not fit, so definitely we goes to the doctor. अगर हम ठीक है तो हमें डॉक्टर के पास जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं, तो डेफिनेटली हम अगर हेल्दी हैं तो हम अपना जो एक हार्ड मनी, एक जो मनी है उसको हम सेव कर सकते हैं, सेविंग बढ़ा सकते हैं with the help of exercise. Now next point we are going to discuss, that is the benefits of exercise. Now let's discuss about the benefits of exercise. What type of benefits of exercise? There's many more, lot of benefits of exercise, but here is some selected benefits we are going to discuss with you people. First is the reduced risk of heart disease. First, this is the main benefit of exercise. If we are going for regular exercise, so definitely we can reduce the chance of risk of heart disease. So we must be understand first thing that this is very important to decrease the risk of stress, anxiety, and that is related to hormones also. And with the help of exercise we can improving the circulatory system, and pumping automatically goes up, as well as the increasing the heart rate, because with the help of exercise. And one more thing, this is very important to increasing the blood circulation. Blood vessel also goes fit with the help of exercise, and whenever we are performing the cardiac exercise, then this is very helpful to improving overall system, and it's make the heart disease free, as well as it's make the respiratory sound, because with the help of intaking oxygen and exhaling also. And if we are perform these exercise on the regular basis, so definitely long term effect is very strong, as well as the very beneficial to for the overall body. And main thing is that this is free from the हार्ट डिसीज़. सबसे बेसिक जो चीज़ है ये बिल्कुल हार्ट डिसीज़ जो है किसी भी तरीके की हो सकती है, वो चाहे आपकी हार्ट अटैक से रिलेटेड हो या आपके ब्लॉकेज से रिलेटेड है, या हो सकता है शॉर्ट ब्रीथिंग इज़ देयर एंड दिस मैनी मोर प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर, तो क्रैम्प एंड ऑल. तो ये क्या है, ये सबसे बेसिक चीज़ क्या है कि जो बॉडी की फिटनेस है उसको डेवलप करती है. तो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज फॉर द heart disease. Now next point, to help keeping correct good posture. Obviously exercise make physically smart, as well as it is decrease the many type of postural deformities, and by performing many type of exercise like stretching exercises, there is strength exercise, and to make the muscle strengthen, increase the strength of muscles, as well as we have to correct the body posture. There is so many problems sometime in postures, like related to hollow back, kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, flat foot, knock knees, bow like this, many more. Sometime we have seen deformities in body, but this is the one of the best way to correct body posture with the help of exercise, yogic exercise. Now next point, this is related to improving mood. Exercise enhance or improving mood also, because exercise make most individual to individual happy, and as well as the a good energetic person. And this is credit goes to the exercise, games and sports, these type of activities, because automatically our hormones work proper, and this is the best way to make happy ourselves, and stress, anxiety we have to decrease with the help of exercise. So this is very important in our life, that we must be perform minimum 30 to 40 minutes for morning as well as to evening also, to decreasing the overall stress of body, and make mentally, physically healthy with the help of exercise. So this is very important to improving or enhancing the mood. Next our point, boost memory. This is also a very important part, and it is very regular exercise very helpful to boosting the memory, to improving the memory, and to ability to learn new things, new ideas, and brain automatically make more active. And definitely it's play a very vital role of regular exercise, and regular exercise increasing the respond of the actions, as well as to just improving memory to just learn. We must be understand this thing that if we are going to perform regular exercise, and to definitely whatever type of exercise running, so automatically our reaction time will increase, because this is very important for like running. So definitely we have to listen, like athletes, they are always listen carefully, because they are ready to action and they just make our body healthy. And those are the adults, they must be perform these type of exercise, because this is very important to build the body muscles and making the shape, as well as to just making mind sharp. And these regular exercise very important to play these type of role, and making nervous impulse to active and making sharpen. So this is very important for the brain to making memory sharp, or enhancing the bar of the memorized things. We must be memorized very easily. So especially this is the exercise recommend for those people are cannot memorize the things easily. So they must be perform some yogic exercise and like meditation. This is very important to making brain sharp, or to just memorize the things. So we must be understand the role of games and sports and exercise. So these are the very strong benefits of exercise. So we must be perform all these regular exercise on the regular basis, and we make positive mood also with the help of exercise. Now next, this is the reduce depression. Exercise, people are, if involving these type of activities and exercise according to program, so they can reduce the bar of the depression and stress, we can say, because people sometimes they are feel lonely, or they cannot go outside area for any kind of exercise. So there's maximum chance to they goes in the depression. And how they come out with the help of exercise, like aerobic exercise, they are playing very vital role. Anaerobic exercise also important. They must be take part some activities, and they come out from home and they make the circle and enhancing the social circle, and they automatically feel relaxed. And it is the best treatment of depression, because people when perform exercise, so automatically they will be increasing the confidence level, improving the mood, and overall health automatically improving with the help of games, exercise. And they will never feel loneliness, because they are involved in activities, and they automatically come out from that depression and pressure, we can say anxiety or stress. So this is very important to play in each and every individual life a very positive role. Now next, lower anxiety. This is also like same depression type of thing, but anxiety is the like beginning, that is the anxiety, irritation like things, jo chidchidapan we can say, it's called anxiety. And this is the level automatically increase. We are, if we cannot goes any kind of exercise, and suppose we are going, but we cannot burn the calories, we cannot involve mentally with interest in the activities. So definitely it is very important to person they must be applies all these programs in regular life on the regular basis to controlling these type of situation, like anxiety of situation. Sometimes they forget daily programs, and sometimes they feel uneasy to perform daily activities, because due to the हो सकता है maybe workplace stress is there, sometimes some personal problem is there, so it's automatically take place of anxiety. So with the help of games and sports we can lower the level of anxiety. So we should be follow all these programs on the regular basis. Next, make strengthen bones and muscles. Exercise make the muscles, bones strengthen. And why? Because everyday workout, this is long term type of things. Everyday workout play very vital role to improving or increasing the strength of muscles, flexibility, and with the help of all these exercise we can decrease the bone density, and we can reduce the age factors, because this is very important for head to toe. We must be perform these type of exercise, and automatically we can active deactive type of tissues and body parts. So we should be provide exercise to each and every part of the body, and in this way we can provide the strengthen of muscles as well as the bones. And if we can perform this type of exercise, so there is maximum chance to decreasing of fracture and osteoporosis also. And sometimes we feel stiffness in muscles because due to the less workout, we are not working and we feel the stiffness in muscles. So we must be perform these exercises on the regular basis. Now next point, this is the point that is related to improve mental alertness. Mental alertness, if we can face stress, tension, anxiety, fatigue, tiredness, like sometimes we cannot go for the concentrate on a particular thing. Why? Because of the depression, tension, pressure of mind. We forget the things, we cannot memorize due to the less workout, and we must be perform the exercise, and we can improve the mental alertness. And with the help of exercise we can reduce all these negative points like stress, tension, anxiety, and these type of focusing problem and tiredness. And regular exercise play very vital role and to enhancing the mental alertness, and to just focus, we can say develop the concentration in life for any kind of work. And this is very important to circulate the circulatory system proper manner, and just focusing on the intaking and exhaling exercise system. We must be take oxygen proper, and we automatically decrease the tension and stress position, because we have to focus on breathing. We must be when we take the oxygen, in taking the oxygen, so we just focus, we just feel yes, I am now inhaling the oxygen, मैं सांस ले रहा हूँ. Then hold the breath, and after that you just release the breathe slowly. So in this way we can control so many things. We can just develop the concentration system as well as to make the mental alertness sound and strong and better. Now next point, reduce stress with the help of exercise. Many several studies and studies as well as personal people also discuss that this is very important and effective role play the exercise, games and sports to reducing the stress, anxiety, tension, and just improving the method. So this mood, these are the method to just decreasing these type of negative thoughts, here we can say pressure from the mind, and we can just follow the exercise, games, sports, jogging, dancing, yogic exercise, and with the help of all these program we can make physically and mentally sound, and we can reduce the stress level. Next point, enhance self-esteem. Regular exercise play very vital role, positive role to making self-esteem sound, and we must be understand about the relationship and all. We must understand the lower self-esteem, because sometimes we just leave the confidence या we hopeless type of situation, तो automatically our self-esteem goes down. But by performing the yogic exercise, games, sports, and we just involve in this type of program, so definitely we can enhance our self-esteem, body image. This is very important. Next point, that is also related to same, improve self-confidence or body image. So with the performing regular exercise, automatically we can make our mood happy, and physically appearance, automatically we can attractive regular exercise. This is play very vital role, and they make the positive thoughts, and it is automatically positive change come to in the physical parts, and personality become sound or attractive by performing the exercise, and people automatically feel good by performing exercise. And with the help of exercise we can improving the mood, confidence level, body posture. This is very important for games and sports. To just take the advantage with the help of games and exercise, we must be improve confidence level, body image, personality, way of talking, as well as to make the social circle sound or strong. So these are the very important point to understand the role of exercise, games and sports and benefits. Now next point, delay fatigue. If we are following the program of games, exercise on the regular basis, so definitely fatigue automatically delay, यानी जो थकान है, जो टायर्डनेस है, ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल फील स्लोली, टाइम लगेगा उसमें फटीक फील होने में, थकान होने में, बिकॉज ऑटोमेटिकली वी आर परफॉर्मिंग द एक्सरसाइज, एंड it's improving the breathing system, it's performing like CO2, there's many waste like lactic acid, acid phosphate automatically decrease from the body, and with the help of this type of exercise automatically we can strengthen muscles, and we can perform all these activity for a longer time, and fatigue become delay. Now next point, this is the improve health benefits. By performing regular exercise we automatically get the strong health, and we can reduce the lifestyle disease, we can develop physical part physically, yeah, we can make the antibodies automatically, because this is the process to just provide the fitness to all the systems of body, and it is very help to get good sleep, and decrease the many toxins from the body, and with the help of these exercises we feel energetic and fresh. So this is very important whenever we are performing the exercise, so definitely next day and after the workout we feel relaxed, happy, as well as the fresh. So these are very important points of the benefits of exercise. Now next point, this is the helping in easy recovery from the injury. If we are physically fit, fine and strong from the physical side, so automatically we can recovery rate automatically increase of injury, because with the help of the fitness level, because our muscles automatically increase and tissues automatically active, and white blood cells automatically active and increasing and work to better, and body automatically feel relaxed and fit, and with the help of workout and exercise automatically our the injury, and we can say these type of any injury it's recover very quickly, whatever type, like any muscle injury is there, any like wound is there, yeah, we can say tissues injury, bleeding, whatever, कोई भी चोट है किसी भी तरह की, ये वी कैन से, तो वो क्या होगी, उनका जो रिकवरी पीरियड है वो क्विक हो जाएगा, जल्दी रिकवरी हो सकती है, हीलिंग जिसको हम बोलते हैं, रिकवरी मीन्स हीलिंग, तो जो हिलअप होने का जो प्रोसेस है वो quick होगा. Even we can, you know, sometime we can easily tolerate the pain automatically, and we need no need to the medicine and all, because it's depend on the fitness level. We can bear the pain, and we can perform the workout easily, and quickly we just come out from that injury episode. Now next point, improve flexibility. With the help of regular exercise, our muscles become strengthened, as well as you know, elasticity of the muscles. It's increase ligaments, and muscle joints automatically, you know, become strong and sound, and muscles just you know, perform maximum workout, and automatically we feel, you know, decrease of stiffness of joints. वो जो joints की जो stiffness थी वो automatically कम हो जाएगी, decrease हो जाएगी by performing on regular basis exercise. If we are performing regular exercise, so definitely flexibility bar goes up by performing regular exercise, and this is very beneficial for bony structure as well as the muscular system also. Now next point, this is the feeling great overall. Whatever the, you know, mood, but whenever we are performing the exercise, we feel relaxed, happy, and comfortable, because due to the regular exercise. It's play very important role to enhancing the self-confidence, reduce the anxiety, stress, tension, and improving mood, reduce depression level, and it's, you know, provide the mental alertness, or improving the mental health also, because we feel comfortable and healthy physically as well as the physiological side, and these are the benefits provided from the just exercise and games yogic activities. So these are the very great exercise, and we must be perform on the regular basis, because these are the things, you know, we can say these are free of type cost, and we can make our body fit, disease free and stress free. But it is the, you know, possible if we can follow the regular exercise system and program according to our body. We must be you know, perform these exercise, but it's depend on the, you know, person to person, because individual to individual require you know, some different. Some are going for the reducing the weight, some are going for just fitness, some are going for just gaining the weight, you know, it's depend. But motive is the simple, to just enhancing the fitness level of body, whatever the physical, mental, social. तो ये एक चीज़ क्या है, we are making our self fit, healthy with the help of exercise. So today our topic is very important, strengths, and you must be inculcate all these habits in your life also. This is important topic for boards, as well as this is very important topic for the life also, and these are the things play very positive and vital role in long life. Class, thank you so much.